show you. Look at this. Awesome. Yes, remote control. Jeep. Well, monster truck Jeep. Look how cool the suspension is. See that? So we're gonna go and test it out on an obstacle course. We're gonna make. Hope it's gonna be successful. So let's get started. Guys, for the obstacle course, this guy has to try and flip onto that pillow, then go over this like that, then got to smash this down, and then go over these railings as you can see. High tower and see if he can get over it. 1, 2, 3. Thanks for watching this video. I think it was quite a successful one. Give us a thumbs up, a like is the same thing. Hit that bell to turn on notifications. Subscribe. Comment down below if you thought it was a nice video. So, bye!